Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram or deleted their account. So if you open your Instagram and go to the Messenger or Instagram Messenger and you see this notification right here or you see this, then there's a possibility that this user has deleted his or her account, or let's just say deactivated his or her Instagram account. But is it really sure that this person has deleted? What if this person has just blocked you on Instagram? So how are you going to know if this person has blocked you? First, if you go to the search icon and try to search the person's username, probably you cannot search their username. So there's a big possibility that this person has blocked you. You can try other Instagram account and search the person's username, and if the person or the person's profile appear, that means that person is blocked you. The second thing to know if this person has blocked you or deleted his or her account is like what I've mentioned earlier. You can ask someone to search his or her profile, or you can create another profile Instagram account in order for you to see if this person has deleted or blocked you on Instagram. So if you search that person's profile and you can still see that person's post like pictures and videos and other thing here, then obviously that person did not block you or he didn't delete his or her account. But if you search that person and you see this one right here, there's a huge possibility that this person has deleted his or her account or has blocked you. Another thing is that Last thing is that if you search that person's profile through old conversation and you see this, no post yet, then there is a huge possibility that this person has blocked you or restrict you on Instagram. So basically, these are just a few ways to know if someone blocked you on Instagram or deleted their account. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.